For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel and touch the bell beside it to get notifications.
Now till now we have find all the values, means 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So with all these angles we can prepare a table, that is trigonometric ratios of all angles, that is 0 to 90 degrees, isn't it? And you have to remember all the values in the form of a table. Okay, now we will write a table in the form of a trick. We use a trick how to write the values, and also we can easily remember. Now let us prepare trigonometric table of trigonometric ratios of angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, right. Okay students, now we are going to understand the trigonometric ratios of angles from 0 to 90 degrees in easy way. Very easily we can remember the table even if you forget all the values. Yes, here we have a trick. So here if you observe the table here, trigonometric ratio nothing but sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta can be written as in the form of sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta it is nothing but 1 by tan theta reciprocal, and sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Now we have the angles here. This is called theta. Theta value takes from 0 to 90 degrees, or here theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees, means theta is greater than or equal to 0 degrees and less than or equal to 90 degrees. It is nothing but its meaning is that 0 to 90, like this: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, now suppose we don't know any value, then how to get the values? For example, instead of theta we take 0. Sine 0 how much? We have to write. Sine 30 degrees is how much? Sine 45 degrees is what is the value? Sine 60 degrees is what? Sine 90 degrees is what? Yes. So here we have a trick, easily we can find. Let us just observe and carefully. Okay, see here. First write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then you divide each number by 4. Okay, write like this, because 90 degrees is the fourth part of 360 degrees, right? And make square root. Write all square roots for all the numbers. Okay, so what did we do here? What did we do here? We wrote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each number is divided by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, and we have taken square root for all the numbers. Now you see how we get. Suppose sine 0. Now 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. First we will get all the values for sine theta, then remaining values will get. Okay, now sine 0 we got 0 because 0 by 4 is 0, right? Now root of 1 by 4, for root 1 it is 1, and 4 square root of 4 is what? 2. So that's why it is 1 by 2. It is nothing but sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Even when we had the problem, we discovered, we find that sine 30 degrees, we have find that sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. Okay, and 45. 2 by 4 how much? It is 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? Square root of 1 is 1, but square root of 2 we are writing like that, square root of 2. It means that sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root of 2 or 1 by root 2. Now here 3 by 4, root 3 it is, by root 4 is how much? 2. Got it? Yes. And 4 by 4 you know it is 1, so square root of 1 is 1. Got it? Yes, we got sine 0 degrees is 0 value, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. Okay, now let us write the values for cos theta, like cos 0, like that. Simple it is. You write converse or reverse, means you write first 1 here and root 3 by 2 here. After root 3 by 2 we are coming in reverse way. So first 1 we are writing root 3 by 2 here, and 1 by root 2 there only itself, and 1 by 2 here, and 0. Got it? It means that cos 0 is 1, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees is 0. Got it? Easy, no? How we wrote cos theta after getting sin theta values? We wrote in a reverse way. Now let us write the tan values. So tan is nothing but sin by cos, no? Here sin, here cos. 0 by 1 is what? Here it is nothing but 0 by 1 only, no? Tan 0, if you want tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0. So here I am writing, or somewhere here. Suppose if you want to write tan 0, it is nothing but sin 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees. Okay. Now cos 0 degrees is how much? 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. Right? Hence we got 0 because 0 by 1. Okay, here, and tan 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees, this by this, 2 get cancelled, then it will be 1 by root 3. Okay, and this by this, sin 45, tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, how much? 1. And tan 60 means sin 60 by cos 60, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, you will get root 3 because 2 get cancelled. Okay, then here tan 90, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined. Okay, so like this, here tan 0 degrees, instead of theta you have to take 0. So tan 0 means you got 0. How you got? Sin 0 by cos 0, that is tan 0 degrees. And if you want tan 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees divided by cos 30 degrees means this divided by this. So 2 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Okay. Now if you want tan 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees. How you will get this? Sin 45 degrees is divided by cos 45 degrees. We know sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 divided by cos 45 degrees. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So you will get like this 1. So this by this, again tan 60. So sin 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees, 2 get cancelled, then root 3. And tan 90 means how you get sin 0 by cos 0. So 1 by 0. Tan 90 degrees means sin 90 degrees divided by cos 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is 1, cos 90 degrees is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is nothing but infinity, or it is not defined. We write or not defined. Okay, yes, but we write the symbol infinity. Now let us find the cot and sec cosec. Simple. So cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. If you want cot 0 degrees is nothing but 1 by tan 0. So 1 by tan 0, 1 by 0, tan 0, 0, no. So 1 by 0 is how much? Infinity. Or simply you write tan values in a reverse way. If you write tan values in a reverse way, you will get cot values. Simple. Yes, infinity, then it is root 3 and 1. See, root 3 came here, 1 here, and 1 by root 3. Okay, and 0 will be here. Okay, if you reverse sine values, you will get cos values. If you divide sine values by cos values, you will get tan values. And if you reverse tan values, you will get cot values. Okay. Now coming to secant. Secant is 1 by cos. Okay. If you want sin 0, it is nothing but 1 by cos 0. Now 1 by cos 0, 1 by 1 is 1. Okay. Or simply you write cos values reciprocal. So 1 by 1 and root 3 by 2 reciprocal. It is 2 by root 3. Cos theta, cos 30. If you want sin 30, if you want sec 30, take cos 30 and make it a reciprocal. That is root 3 by 2 become root 2 by root 3. And secant 45, if you want secant 45, you take cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 you make it reversal. It is root 2 by 2 means nothing but it is a root 2. Now secant 60 degrees. If you want secant 60, take cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal is what? 2 by 1. Nothing but 2. Now secant 90 degrees. Secant 90 degrees means you have to take cos 90 degrees. So cos 90, 0. So 1 by cos 0. 1 by cos 0 is nothing but not defined or infinity. It is not defined. So we got secant values, and if you reverse, you'll get cosecant values. That's all. So you write here, or not defined. Okay, now next 2 comes here, and root 2 here, 2 by root 3 here, and 1 here. Got it? Yes. So this is a trick to write and how to remember. Okay, so you can even by heart, but if you forget sometimes, you can prepare the table like this, and these values are used in solving the trigonometric ratios values. Okay, in the next exercise we are going to solve the problems by using these values, that is trigonometric ratios of the angles from 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Got it? Do you understand? Right. And please understand the values and learn and remember. Okay, so here we will meet in the next class to solve the problems of the exercise. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.